Now, Hawaii has been on the receiving end of billions of federal monies, and now with the new president, many local residents are wondering where Hawaii is going to be on the priority list. Our Kristen Concilio spoke today with advocates who are worried about what's next. Kristen.
Le'ui, federal backing is a concern for many residents, but it's not the only one. Activists fear a Trump administration could mean a threat to human rights.
Just a few months ago,
human rights advocates are worried that major changes could be coming down the road with a new president.
If there's a ban on reproductive care, if there's a ban on transgender rights, we all have to be worried about that. We are very concerned because a federal ban means that it's banned at the state level.
And that federal monies for Hawaii could be impacted.
You have to worry about the fact that federal dollars are just going to dry up for those important health rights.
Acknowledging that the fear is real and valid is an important place to start for both our local constituents as well as our federal lawmakers. Anytime that Congress is paying the bills or the federal government is paying the bills, they reserve the right then to put in restrictions and limitations in place or to withhold that funding altogether.
However, things that don't involve funding or criminal activity on a federal property won't likely be affected. For example, Hawaii voters ratified a change to the Constitution, removing the ability of the legislature to enact traditional marriage law.
It does, again, kind of preserve the right for same-sex marriage to be a permanent feature of Hawaii state government. That cannot be taken away.
While some rights can be chipped away at,
we have a looming sense that the federal government is all-powerful and all-controlling, but it's really not.
Senate President Ron Kouchi says lawmakers will make sure to put additional money in the Attorney General's budget in case they need to safeguard rights.
We need to be prepared to stand up for what would be the right things for Hawaii, and going to court may be one of the ways to try and protect it. So we need to make sure we allocate resources so that would be an available choice to us.
Says the Senate is already looking ahead, planning on possible bills to safeguard rights. Kristen Concilio, Island News.